kiddies, how are you all? I hope you're doing great. In today's class, we are going to study English, okay? And we will be learning vowel sound I, okay? So open your book to page number 6. Sound of vowel I. Page number 6, sound of vowel I. So in this page, first we will learn about what is vowel sound I and how to pronounce it, and then we will write all the words in the copy, okay? Let's learn. So the vowel sound I, how it is pronounced, how it is spoken, it has a sound I sound, okay? Like pin, P-I-N, pin. Bin, B-I-N, pin. Tin, T-I-N, tin. The sound I, okay? Pin, bin, tin. Next we have is bill, B-I-L-L, bill. Next, hill, H-I-L-L, hill. Pill, P-I-L-L, pill, okay? So these are vowel sound I words, okay? They are made with the sound, vowel sound I. Now we will read some other words, okay? So other words are lit, sit, pit, hit, tip, zip, dip, and lip. Big, fig, pig, dig. Bid, mid, rid, kid. Let's read it again. L-I-T lit, S-I-T sit, P-I-T pit, H-I-T hit, T-I-P tip, Z-I-P zip, D-I-P dip, L-I-P lip. B-I-G pig, F-I-G fig, P-I-G pig, D-I-G dig, B-I-D bid, M-I-D mid, R-I-D rid, K-I-D kid, okay? So these are the sound words. Now we will write them in the notebook, okay? So this is your homework for today. आज आपको I sound word के सारे words copy में लिखने हैं, okay? Stay home, stay safe.